DevSecOps represents a fundamental shift in how we approach software security. Instead of treating security as a separate checkpoint at the end of development, DevSecOps integrates security practices throughout the entire pipeline. This approach, known as shifting left, embeds security into every stage from planning and coding through deployment and monitoring. Automated security testing is the backbone of DevSecOps. SaaS tools analyze source code for vulnerabilities during development. DAS tools test running applications for security flaws. SCA tools scan dependencies for known vulnerabilities. Container security scanning checks images for threats, while infrastructure as code scanning validates configuration security before deployment. Security gates act as automated checkpoints that can halt the pipeline when critical vulnerabilities are detected. If security tests pass, the build continues to deployment. If they fail, the pipeline stops, preventing vulnerable code from reaching production. Secrets management tools like HashiCorp Vault or AWS Secrets Manager securely store sensitive information like API keys, passwords, and certificates, ensuring they're never hard-coded in source code. Continuous monitoring is essential for maintaining security in production. Real-time monitoring systems track application behavior, system performance, and security events. When threats are detected, automated alerts trigger incident response procedures. Log analysis helps identify patterns and potential security breaches. This creates a feedback loop that continuously improves security posture and enables rapid response to emerging threats. DevSecOps success depends on building a security-first culture across all teams. Development, security, and operations teams must collaborate closely with shared responsibility for security outcomes. This requires comprehensive security training, implementing policy as code for automated compliance, and fostering continuous improvement. When security becomes everyone's responsibility rather than a separate team's concern, organizations achieve truly secure and efficient software delivery.